He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today, we're out on the Blackstone again. You guys know a while back I bought me a 28-inch Blackstone and been loving it ever since. I've been out on the deck flipping steaks and doing stir fry and hamburgers and salmon and all type of stuff, okay? I feel like I'm part of a syndicate or something, which is my shirt, the Blackstoners Syndicate, okay? I haven't only had my Blackstone a short time, but I'm loving it, okay? So anyway, it was a no-brainer when I got contacted by Ricky Farmer from the Meat Stall, the YouTube channel The Meat Stall, who wants to do a Blackstone collaboration on doing some pork tenderloins. Now I know a lot of people like, man, you can't do a pork tenderloin on a Blackstone. It's too thick. It's better to be in the smoker. All that may be true, but I don't talk about anybody who tries to cook anything a different way, and if it comes out successful, if it tastes good, and you're meeting all the internal temperature requirements, then brother, go for it. Okay, so that's definitely what we did. We decided that this Sunday we were going to do our pork tenderloin videos, record our videos, and we were going to release them at the same time. Okay, so if you guys don't know Ricky Farmer, check him out, The Meat Stall on YouTube. The brother knows how to cook. He knows what he's doing. He even has this sauce called, I believe it's called meat frosting. Okay, I haven't had an opportunity to taste it yet, but I hear good things about it. Okay, so hey, without any further ado, here is our pork tenderloin Blackstone collaboration video. Don't go nowhere. Okay guys, so here we have our two pork tenderloins. We're going to put them in a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. Next we're going to take the flat end of our meat tenderizer and pound the pork tenderloins until they're roughly 1/4 inch in thickness. Once the pork tenderloins have reached the desired thickness, place them in the container and season them with your favorite seasoning. Here we're using a combination of coarse black pepper, smoked sea salt, and chili pepper. Now it's time to get cooking on our Blackstone Griddle. First we lay down a layer of peanut oil. This is to saute our onions. Now we're going to caramelize our onions for about 40 minutes. This will be the longest part of the cook. While the onions are caramelizing, we lay down 5 strips of bacon. There's nothing like that pork on pork action. Now that the bacon and the onions are finished cooking, it's time to cook our pork tenderloin. We floured our pork tenderloin in a Ziploc bag, shaking off the excess to give it a nice crispy coating. Here we want to check the internal temperature of the pork tenderloins to make sure that they're over 145 degrees internal. Now we lay down our buttered buns to get nice and toasted. All right, let's put this bad boy together. First, we put down a layer of sriracha mayo on both buns. Next, we lay down our pork tenderloin, crispy, juicy, hot, and tender. Here comes that pork on pork action. Bacon strip after bacon strip. And finally we pile on those caramelized onions. Charred, sweet, and smelling good. And now it's time for the taste test. And all I can say is, damn, that's good. Ooh-wee. You have got to try this. Alright guys, so that's it for the video, man. The pork tenderloin sandwich was fantastic, man. The bacon, the caramelized onions, the floured pork tenderloin fried on the Blackstone top, man. Ooh, it came out fantastic. Definitely something that I will be doing again. Hey, make sure you guys go out to Ricky's YouTube channel and check out his cook for his pork tenderloin on the Blackstone, okay? As usual, the Blackstone performed fantastic, okay? I even got a chance to stop by a Dollar Tree the other day and picked up 10 of those pastry scrapers for $1 each and lined the outside of my Blackstone with it like a lot of Blackstoners are doing to block the wind, and it worked out great. There's a few modifications that I want to make it a little bit easier to put them around the outside of the Blackstone, but that's definitely the way to go and a cheaper way to go, okay? So, look, as always, where there's smoke, there's fire, and if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, hit me up if you guys are interested in one of these Blackstoners Syndicate shirts, okay? I'll be putting them out either on my regular website or out on my Etsy account, but I'll put the link down in the description block if anybody's interested in ordering one, okay? Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.